Just ran outside and did a little couple errands for my sweetie. But I have some important news to tell the world today, and to you, of course, Bravo. But this is something he already knows because he has already sat and rode shotgun in my new ultimate purple fanny pack. How exciting is that? I've completed the set. I got orange, I got red, I got green, I got blue, I got black. And now, finally, after years of searching, I have my purple fanny pack. Now, my mom was over and she kind of gave me the business and looked at the purple fanny pack and shook her head, as so many people have over the years. But this is a big fanny pack. This one is like an extra large one. There's Bravo in comparison. Like, he could sleep in there. It'd be like a 3-bedroom apartment for him. But this fanny pack will hold diapers. This fanny pack will hold rattles. It'll hold pacifiers. It'll hold extra bottles. It'll hold darn near everything. So I'm pretty darn excited and glad that finally I found my purple fanny pack. Exciting stuff.
You never seem to stop to amaze, old chap. Just when I think your list of accomplishments can't grow any bigger, here we are, staring at a purple fanny pack. Now, it must admit that it is pretty impressive assembling a rainbow-colored supply of fanny packs. But what is really amazing to me is that you have procreated. I don't know how you pulled it off, brother. I have no idea how you did it. Well, I know how you did it, but you know what I mean.
Thanks, Bravo.